Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Mere. Mere means used to emphasize how small or insignificant person or thing is. For example, questions that cannot be answered by mere mortals. Questions that cannot be answered by mere mortals. Synonyms: trifling, meager, bare.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar: apple candy, cotton wool, melon and a mere hint of licorice. Now, repeat after me. Apple candy, cotton wool, melon and a mere hint of licorice. The second exemplar: however, a mere 2 minutes later, partic were back on level terms. Now, repeat after me. However, a mere 2 minutes later, partic were back on level terms. The third exemplar: the mere hint of a cold does not require a week off work with the flu. Now, repeat after me. The mere hint of a cold does not require a week off work with the flu.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
India has a higher English-speaking population than United Kingdom. Worldwide, India comes second only to the USA in its English-speaking population. The empire strikes back, and how?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.